bantu mweni mbasima erizoba okurengwa ba Rotary Club Luzira, Rotary Club Bugorobi bijaho kutereza mama kiti obujanja bwa buryo bwabusha buri kimwe cyona bamba basa kuchebera kasito hurro mbirugona gutarije buri kimwe cyona bamba chebere ndwara zona hepatitis B okuchebera shagama okuchebera HIV byarambya free of charge kubanga ko kubasa kura ogomoranga odyoko weno wahura club yoneja heri ogumejeza hojero bwira kurebeka ngo wahikayo kubanga ibintu byona ne byabusha tebakubasa kucharginga konka bazo mwirwaro no bakucharginga for sure ntubebaza ba Rotary Club mwebare munonga twasima. My name is Muri. I thank Rotary Club Bugolobi, Rotary Club Luzira, that's who have given us the mama kit. For sure we thank you. We thank those two clubs that they have helped us in doing each and everything. According to our health, you come for checkup, nothing, there is no charge. But you people, you try to come. If you are there, you have any disease, you try to come for a checkup because there is free of charge. We all thank you for that, our Rotary Club. I really say thank you very much. Nzatsha Muri mviride Chirombe B naye kisizo okundeta abantu banange nze nebaza aba Rotary Bugorobi aba Rotary Club Luzira abazo okutuwereza ko kumama kiti ebisere bisinga tufuna okusomozebwa nga tufunye embuto olusoba toyina bya kate ebiri mu ebisinga mbadde sirina neba nange nebaza aba Rotary Luzira Bugorobi bona abazze. I really thank you very much for the help that you have given to us. I say thank you to all of you, mostly of our friends. Banange mbakubira omulanga nti in case ng'owuliddeko waliwo abakubye ekitongole kino aba Rotary osobola okujja obujjanja bibadde bwa bwereere era babadde bakebera buli ndwadde yonna eddagala lya bwereere banange buli leero tufunye buli kimu kye twetaaga okeberebwa omusaayi buli kimu n'ofuna era nze neeyanziza nze nvudde wano nga nyina essanyu kubanga nze kye mbadde njagala nze nkifunye banange tubayita abali eyo bwe muwulira wonna nga mutuukawo tweyanziza nnyo tweyanzeege. Yes.